Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Two-step verification is a security feature on Roblox that requires user to verify their identity when logging in. This verification can be done through an authenticator app, email, or phone number. While this feature enhances account security, some user may prefer to disable it for convenience. So how to do it? On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable, how to turn on, but now what if you want to disable this feature? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you can log in into your account on Roblox. You can log into your mobile phone or computer. As you can see in here, when I try to log in into my account, I need to enter the code that Roblox sent to me. Now you can enter. It means the two-step verification on my account is still active. No. Now I have logged in into my account, and let's turn off the two-step verification. You can go to the settings by clicking on the three dots over here. Choose on settings. Now you can choose on security. You see, here's my two-step verification is active using the email secure. You can disable it by remove by click on the toggle in here. If you turn off two-step verification on your account will be less secure and only your password will be needed for action like login in and confirm. Can wait. You can enter before that. To finish the step, you can enter the code that Roblox sent to you. You can verify. And that's it. Now you have turned off the two-step verification on your Roblox account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!